Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Fashion Iksha. Trace a front pattern from the center front, mark 1/4 inches and draw a line parallel to center front. From the highest point of shoulder, mark half an inches and trace a back block, that is a neckline, and as well as a center back till the chest line. From this point, mark a collar height or a neck deep, you can say. I am marking here 12 inches and draw a line joining. And from the button closure line, mark 1/4 inches, and from this point mark half an inches down and as well as mark half an inches upside for a collar V shape. From this point, from the button closure line, join both the points, the up one and as well as the down one, and from the down points join the collar deep. Measure from the collar width and add half an inches more than the collar width and mark for the back collar shape. And now join the back collar shape from the upper V point with a smooth curve line. You can mark with a dotted line for the curve shape, and now cut the pattern accordingly. Once after cutting, this is how the pattern looks. So now make a mark on the folding line. First fold the pattern, collar pattern, towards the back side and make a mark. And some same mark, fold the collar now towards the top side of the pattern. Once after folding, turn the back collar towards the back side by folding at the shoulder. And now this is how the collar look.